Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create this textured text in Procreate. This is very easy, so let's go ahead and do it. So first, what you want to do is to add your canvas. Mine is 12-inch square and it's on CMYK. So what you want to do first is to add a background and then choose any color of your choice. That's my first layer. And I'm going to add another layer on top and then add my text, add text, and then pick any style like font. I love to use this. This is one of my favorites when I'm creating this. And you want to choose a color different from your background. So this one I'm going to use the orange. Ooh, I don't like the combination, but anyway, type your text, mama, or anything. And then you will have to double tap to highlight it and then edit style. And then tap this outline icon here. There you go. So you will have something like that. And then maybe I want to change my background color to like a little lighter. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, now we can delete the empty layer. So we have to scale it to fit your canvas, make it bigger, just like that. So now we have mama. Now we can duplicate this one. I love to duplicate it so it gets a little thicker. In case you didn't know, every time you duplicate your element or layer in Procreate, it thickens, it adds just a tiny bit of pixel to it. So yeah, that's the purpose of it. So I'm gonna duplicate it one more time. Okay, and then the first one underneath, that's what I'm going to use to fill my color. So I want to choose a different color from my outline, but if you want to choose the same color, your outline and your flat color, that's totally fine as well. It's your choice. So we have something like this. Now I want to add another layer on top, tap it, clipping mask, and set it to multiply. And the reason why I'm setting it to multiply is that every time I multiply it, it multiplies the color that is selected or the color where it's clipped to. So I have the orange, right? Now I want to go ahead and pick my textured brush, anything. And if you don't have a textured brush, I have the brushes in the description. They are for free if you want to check them out. So my favorite one is the denim stripes. And if you already have the brush set, I just want to let you know that you can go to the grain and then change your scale up and down. If you think the grain or the texture is too big, you can set it smaller. I don't like this one, so I'm gonna try to make it bigger, just like that. There you go. That's how easy you can add texture to your text. And if you don't like that, we can pick a different one. What about this? Floral. Ooh. I think it's too big. Let's set it smaller. And if you use your finger, 3 fingers, swipe it on the screen, you can delete whatever is on the layer. So this one is actually cute. Look at that. So this one, if you think the flat color is overpowering the color of your outline, you can go ahead and change your outline color. And that's the reason why I love to put the outline on a separate layer so that I can always make a change. Now, the step that I did right now is very easy, right? But there's even a much easier way to change the color of your outline. So this is the color of the outline, right? So add a layer on top of it and then select clipping mask. This is the power of clipping mask. Just like that. And then there you go. You just change the color of your outline and look how cute that is. And aside from the textured brushes, if you've been making seamless patterns, you can also use your patterns to fill out your letter. Let me just pick a different one here. Let's use this one. Ooh, red. So I'm going to use white for this. Yep, perfect. And then my outline, I want to set it to, I hope you're still following the steps. I think it's really cute. Now, let me test red. Red, red, red. Nah, blue is fine. So yeah, there you go. What can you do? Why would you want to do something like this? So if you go on Etsy, you'll see that mama is a very simple word that is actually selling on Etsy right now, especially that it's almost Mother's Day. Everybody's looking for this. So if you can put out as many listings out there that has different textures, that would be cute. And you can even use mock-ups, like very simple mock-ups. Let me try to find it. If I can find it. Like this. This is a very simple mock-up that I did. Yeah, you can put your mama here and then put your listing just like that. It's very simple. It's very clear. And people are looking for these. So yeah. And I just want to show you an example of what I am selling right now. So I do create the seamless pattern and I add another pattern just to bundle them together. And so I sell 2 patterns and then 2 PNGs. So that's mama and mama's girl. So I do have another mock-up here for mama and mama's girl. So if you don't believe me, you can go ahead and search Etsy. You will see that everybody, especially the sewing moms, are looking for this. So yeah, that's our tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you've been learning from my channel, please don't forget to spread the word so we can help more aspiring digital creative artists out there. I appreciate all your support. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Bye.